Now that we've designed Station 3 and we understand where our students need to be by the end of our unit, we're going to design those stations that our lower readiness students are going to master before they get to level 3. So we really have to think about what are the foundational or conceptual understanding pieces that our children are missing. The resource that I guide my teachers to look at in order to do this is the University of Arizona Progressions. This is again another resource that has been hyperlinked into our evidence tables for the PBA at end of the year. So I find that that's a good tool to use if I know that the assessment that my kids are going to be taking uses it as a resource as well. Basically, what the University of Arizona has done is they have taken the bigger domains and shown the progression of what students learn across all the different grades. So you can see where fractions are introduced in the 3rd grade, what they are then supposed to be doing in the 4th grade, and then in the 5th grade at the end of the NF domain. There is a lot of reading that you will see on the left-hand side. But the part that I find the most useful is on the right-hand side, where they have model drawings and sometimes questions and help really interpret what the standards are saying. So this is like unpacking the standards in a progressional model. You'll see I highlighted the 3rd grade. I do have the entire number sense fractions in your packets, so you can see from 3rd through 5th grade. But this helps me come up with ideas of what my students might do in a level 2 station, so right before the on-grade level work, and the level 1 station, so my lower readiness students. If you're having a hard time coming up with the actual activities that the students could be doing in a level 1 and level 2, I created this template that you can find at the center of your table. Again, we've already created this work, the more rigorous work that balances students' ability to show their conceptual understanding, their procedural skill, and in context or applying it. So here, if you're thinking about level 2, what additional procedural skill, what might students be expected to draw? For example, a tape diagram in order to help them see the concept in context. If you're trying to design your level 1, this is where we're going to merge our manipulative world and the drawing world. So what can they build to model the skill that's going to help them eventually move to level 2? And theoretically master level 3 before the end of the unit. So just to review, my lowest readiness students are going to start here and move to level 3 by the end of the unit. My middle readiness students are going to start here, move through level 3 and level 4 by the end of the unit, and my on-grade level students are going to start here and move to level 4 and level 5 by the end of the unit. Once you are done brainstorming level 1 and 2, you can create the activities for level 1 and 2, and then you will move to Station 5. These are all available online in case you don't have the time to get through all of the stations.